Today I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes with you. This is a staple in a Kashmiri kitchen. It's a Kashmiri recipe and it's called Monje Haakh. You can chop the greens and the bulb any way you like, but I would like to share how we do it in our Kashmiri kitchen, the traditional way of doing it. Let us start. As you can see, I have prepared my kohlrabi bulbs here, but I want to show you how to do it. So I have this bulb here. I'm going to chop off the bottom. Then I'll chop a big piece off the top and slice it into two. Go ahead and peel the bulb. You can use a peeler, but I have always found that a small paring knife works better for me. Now you hold the bulb sideways and make small slices. And don't make the slices too thin, maybe about 1/4 to 1/3 inch thick. And if you find it hard to slice, you can always chop it into small 1-inch cubes. That works fine too. Now I'm going to go ahead, prepare the greens. If the leaves are small, I leave them alone. If they are large, like 6 inches long or 5 inches long, I cut them into smaller bite-sized pieces. I often discard the hard end and just use the tender leaves. And that's it. Our vegetables are ready. Now I will heat about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. My Instant Pot is on saute mode right now. Once the oil gets hot, I will add a teaspoon of hing. Traditionally, we make this recipe in mustard oil, but nobody uses mustard oil anymore. At least I don't. So in goes our kohlrabi slices, and we will saute them for 3 to 5 minutes. The idea here is not to brown them. We just want to get rid of any raw smell. And like I said, this should not take more than 5 minutes. And once this looks good, I will add 2 cups of water, 2 cups of hot water, half a teaspoon of baking soda to preserve the color, 3 whole red chili peppers, and a teaspoon of salt. Now I will slowly add my greens. They look a lot, but they all cook down. Now this step is quite important actually. We want to make sure that all leaves are covered in this liquid. There should be a thin layer of this liquid on all leaves, and it's because that will help preserve the color of greens. Otherwise the leaves turn brown when you pressure cook them. So I'm going to keep stirring it till I'm convinced that this liquid has gone everywhere, which I think it has. Now I'll close the lid. I will cancel the saute mode and pressure cook this for 8 minutes. Now the important thing to remember is that as soon as the timer is done, we need to do quick release. And it's done here. I'm going to open the lid and look at this beautiful greens and kohlrabi. I will dish it out, and I would like to share one more step with you. It is not possible for people living in the West to do this, but I'm still going to go share it with you. So here it is, our beautiful kohlrabi curry, or Monje Haakh as we call it. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is a special masala called Kashmiri masala, and I'm going to take two pieces and crush it. This is a very pungent spice, and it is actually made with 10-15 different spices mixed together. This is something very unique to us Kashmiris, but every time we go to India, we bring some with us. It's not available in the West. So I'm going to crush it finely and just sprinkle it over the top. It smells divine. And here it is, the delicious Monje Haakh. I do hope you try this recipe.